Teslong's latest premium inspection cameras include a feature we call Wi-Fi remote viewing. Wi-Fi remote viewing lets you create a wireless link between our inspection camera and your smartphone or tablet. And since it works over Wi-Fi, it can be done remotely. Connecting over Wi-Fi is useful whenever you need a customer or colleague to watch an inspection in real time, especially when they can't easily access the inspection area. The feature works using an app available to iPhone and Android users. One of Teslong's most popular models, the TD500 articulating inspection camera, includes this feature. Here's how to set it up. Turn the TD500 on and give the settings button a long press while in photo or video mode, and you will turn on the Wi-Fi signal. Now you should see a Wi-Fi icon in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. Next, take your mobile device and install the app called Smart Endoscope. Open the app and press the plus sign in the upper right corner to add a new device. Scroll down to select the Wi-Fi Endoscope model TD500 and press Next Step. Go to the Wi-Fi settings on your device, select the Wi-Fi signal shown on the screen, then return to the app and press Next Step. Once the app confirms you are connected to the camera, you should see a live view from the camera and also can record photos and videos with the app on your phone. Wi-Fi remote viewing provides an alternate means of controlling and viewing the camera on Teslong's premium TD500, NTS600, NTS700, NTS800, and TF600 models. If you have any questions about Teslong's Wi-Fi remote viewing feature, leave a comment below or contact our customer service pros at the number shown on the screen.